I have some cowbells here off my Street Glide Special that sat in an impound lot in Myrtle Beach for a year and a half. You can tell how dull they are and how pitted and how bad the powder coat has gotten. We're gonna try a little Flitz here and see what happens. Gonna put a piece of tape here to do a little before and after. See if this does anything. That's probably way too much, but we'll see. Peel the tape off. And look at that difference. I'll finish up the whole thing, but apparently this is gonna work pretty well. And now you really can see it. I did a second time, and you can see that line in there, right across here, where the done side is all polished, and the bottom side is still all scratched and hazy. So I guess I'm gonna have to do this to all the black on the bike, but at least it won't have to be repowder coated.